see some question of Cauchy problem. We all of us know Cauchy problem is such type. In my previous video I had discussed this part elaborately, and the Lagrange auxiliary equation is dx by p, dy by q, dz by r. Here the Lagrange auxiliary equation is dt by 1, dy by 2 and du by c. du by 0. That imply u is equal to c1, and these imply 2 dt is equal to 2 dy. That imply y minus 2t equal to c2. That means the equation is such type u ty equal to phi y minus 2t, and here the initial condition u0y equal to 4 e to the power minus ty, e to the power 12. Here e to the power minus 2y equal to 5y. Okay? We can write uty equal to 4 e to the power minus 2 y minus 2t. And here the question, what is the value of u11? That means here t equal to 1 and y equal to 1. That means u11 equal to 4 e to the power minus 2, 1 minus 2. That means this value is 4 e to the power minus 2 times minus 1. That means this value is 4 square. So answer is 2. I hope my all viewers have understood this question easily. Okay. I will see one example which had come CSIR NET 2025 exam. The question is, consider the initial boundary value problem ut plus ux equal to 2u where x greater than 0 and t greater than 0, where the initial condition is u0t equal to 1 plus sin t and ux0 equal to e to the power x cos x, and this is for t greater than 0 and this is for x greater than 0. If u is a solution of the IBV, then the value of u2 pi divided by u pi 2 pi is option 1 e to the power 2, option 2 minus e to the power pi, option 3 e to the power minus pi, option 4 minus e to the power minus pi. For this, at first ut plus ux equal to 2u. Here P, capital P equal to 1, capital Q equal to 1 and R equal to 2u. Then dx by 1, dt by 1 equal to du by 2u. That implies if we compare these two equations, then you will get x minus t equal to c1. Here p equal to 1, q equal to 1 and r equal to 2u. Then the auxiliary equation is dx by 1, dt by 1 and du by 2u. If you first compare these two equations, then you will get x minus t equal to c1, and if you compare these two equations, then you will get log u equal to 2t plus c2. That imply u e to the power minus 2t equal to c2. That means phi of x minus t equal to u e to the power minus 2t. Now notice the initial value problem, u0t equal to 1 plus sin t. If you put the value, then it implies phi of x equal to u e to the power minus 2t, and the value of u0t equal to 1 plus sin t. So this value would be 1 plus sin t e to the power minus 2t equal to phi of x. Now notice the initial value problem, u0t equal to 1 plus sin t. If you put this initial value problem here x equal to 0, then that implies phi of minus t equal to, here when u0t, then the value of u equal to 1 plus sin t. Then the value of u equal to 1 plus sin t e to the power minus 2t. Now here phi of minus t equal to 1 plus sin t e to the power minus 2t. Consider now minus t equal to a. That imply phi of a equal to t equal to minus a. That imply phi of a equal to 1 minus sin a e to the power 2a. And this is the solution of the Cauchy problem. And here phi of x minus t equal to u e to the power minus 2t. Now put the value, then that imply 1 minus sin x minus t e to the power 2 times x minus t equal to u e to the power minus 2t, and that imply u is equal to e to the power 2x times 1 minus sin x minus t. Okay. And next initial condition, u x0 equal to e to the power x cos x. Here given x equal to 0 and here given t equal to 0. When t equal to 0, here that implies, since t equal to 0, that imply phi of x equal to, and the value of u x0 equal to e to the power x cos x equal to e to the power x cos x times, here t equal to 0, e to the power minus 0t. That imply phi x equal to e to the power x cos x. Since phi of x equal to the power x cos x, and given phi of x minus t equal to u e to the power minus 2t, therefore e to the power x minus t times cos x minus t equal to u e to the power 2t. That imply u xt equal to e to the power x plus t times cos x minus t. This is the uxt given. Therefore, here I have got two equations. uxt equal to e to the power x plus t cos x minus t and uxt equal to e to the power 2x 1 minus sin xt. And notice, and here notice the condition is x greater than 0 and t greater than 0. That means either it would be x greater than t or x less than t. And notice here the condition t greater than 0. For this case, x equal to 0 and t greater than 0. That means for this condition it would be x less than t. And for this condition t equal to 0 and x greater than 0. That means for this condition x greater than t. I hope my all viewers have understood clearly. Now this is since for this condition, since x greater than 2, here would be, since x greater than 2, here would be the value u 2 pi comma pi, and u 2 pi comma pi, at the value u 2 pi comma pi, the value would be cos of 2 pi minus pi. This value is pi, and cos pi is minus 1, and e to the power 2 pi plus pi is equal to e to the power 3 pi. And for this u 2 pi, for this, sorry, here since x less than t, here would be the value, here the value for u pi 2 pi, and the value would be, and e to the power pi comma 2 pi, that means here e to the power 2 pi, and here pi minus 2 pi means minus sin pi, and sin pi is always 0, that means this value is e to the power 2 pi. That means u 2 pi comma pi, the value is minus 1, u 2 pi comma pi, the value is minus e to the power 3 pi, and u pi comma 2 pi, the value is e to the power 2 pi. Now we have to find the solution. This value would be is minus e to the power 3 pi divided by e to the power 2 pi, and the value is minus e to the power 3 pi minus 2 pi, that means the value would be minus e to the power pi. So correct answer is 2. I hope my all viewers have understood this question clearly. This question is very important and conceptual. For this condition, this is extra for in this exam, and this question has come CSIR NET July 2024. Okay, OL. I will stop here. In my next video, I will discuss again some question about Cauchy problem. Actually, Cauchy problem, this topic is very important for higher study, also for any competitive exam. Okay. So, I will highly recommend you please see today's video with pay attention. See you soon. Stay safe and stay positive always. And Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. And happy Navaratri. Thank you so much.